Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are trying on the Swarovski SKIMS collaboration Jelly Sheer Tube Skirt. First up, you know that we definitely have to give a hot moment to the packaging. I've talked about this in a few of the other unboxings that we've done, but this Swarovski SKIMS collaboration boxing is just so beautiful. It is a strikingly reflective silver box that is adorned with a hexagonal shape with the letter S inside. Now that is a perfect interpretation of the collaboration because you do have the S for SKIMS and it's in the SKIMS font, and then you have the hexagonal shape for the Swarovski crystal. Okay, enough about the packaging. Let's take a look at our item. So this is the Jelly Sheer Tube Skirt, and we've taken a look at the Jelly Sheer long dress, the cami dress, previously and in a few different colors, but now we're finally getting a look at the skirt. This skirt looks very similar to the dress when it's off the hanger, but it does have a little bit of a different impact once we put it on. So you will see that when we try this out, but at least the basic features are quite similar. You have a more concentrated collection of Swarovski crystals towards the top of the skirt, and they dissipate towards the bottom. Of course, you also have that really long, beautiful slit right down the back, which gives you some flexibility both to walk as well as to play with some style. So let's go ahead and try this on and see how we feel about it. All right, first impressions were definitely that this is a different vibe than the dress. I honestly can't tell which one I like more. I really do enjoy the cord set or the two-piece bandeau with this tube skirt. I love that it's fitted, of course, with that option for the slit at the bottom. And I really love the concentration of the crystals both on the bandeau and the top of the skirt. Let me know what you think about this cord set. Do you prefer this or the dress? Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.